Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make any cabinet into a Pooja Mandir. Yes, you can make your own temple cabinet at home. When I was searching online, it was very costly, friends. Yes, buying a temple mandir in USA is a very bit costly one. So I decided to make my own, and thanks to my husband who helped me in this. He was the one who made it actually. So what I did was I purchased a kitchen hutch cabinet. What you're seeing now is a kitchen cabinet. They use this for storing microwave and other kitchen utensils. So I decided to have a cabinet especially for puja items. So this one was pretty useful. I changed the microwave place for keeping photos and lamp, and then the drawer for storing the puja items. And even it gave me some extra closet beneath where I stored the silver items and other puja related items. So this one was very useful to me. So what I did was initially I bought this from Amazon and I set up this, and then to make it look like temple mandir, my husband bought these things. I will give you links beneath in the description of each of the item. Mostly these items are bought from Home Depot. So I will tell you one by one. So first, these are the wood molding. They call it crown molding. I have given the link of it. So after making the base using 4 corners, then he mounted a wooden slab kind of thing on top. This wooden is made up of hardwood. I am showing that picture also in this video now. So this is called white wood board. He cut the dimensions according to this crown molding and he pasted on top using the glue. And then on top of this he mounted the finials. This is called finials. I have attached the picture here in this video. This finials alone he bought from a store called Woodpeckers. It is an online store like Amazon. You can buy there. It looked pretty good. You get the same kind of thing in Home Depot or Lowe's, but it was not so much good like this one. So this particular piece we bought from Woodpeckers. And then comes the final finishing. He bought a golden spray paint, gold metallic spray paint, and then painted on top. It's just spraying only. Even my daughter will do in this video, you can see. So it was like a pretty easy one. So this golden finish gave a very good look. So that's why we painted. If you just keep it as a wooden one, it will not give that much precise look. So this spray painting was the last thing. You need to make it dry, leave it dry for at least 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, you can see my daughter doing it now. So this is how we finished it. It was so pretty interesting job to make. It was a good time pass too. Making our own puja mandir is interesting, right? So I will show you now the 4 important items. The first one is the tight bond. This is the glue my husband used to stick the wooden pieces together. This glue is very important. The next one is Drydex. This is like sand finish. After you paint, you wipe it with sandpaper, right? Like that. After you finish the gluing, you have to apply this one. This is like a wood filler. So if there are any gaps, it will fill out the gaps. So it will, when you are applying, it will be pink and then it will turn to wooden color. Next is this glue. This glue is very important for finials. So for finials alone, we used this one to stick. So this is also very important. Note this one. I have given all these links beneath the video. The last one is the gold metallic paint we used. This is a spray paint we bought. I have given the link of this one too. So yes, these are the items we used, and then we purchased some battery puck lights. They call it puck, P-U-C-K, puck lights. And then we stuck it beneath each rack. So these are stuck using double stickers and they are operable on battery. So when it runs out of battery, you can again change it one. So it's very useful and it gives a good look to the whole cabinet. And then I stuck these column stickers, Rangoli stickers. These were sent from India. These are so low cost. When you go next time for vacation, make sure you buy one. It's very useful. Then I finally finished the look with some bells. Yes, how come a temple mandir will be complete without bells? So these bells I bought from Amazon, and then there are some hooks also. I will give those link too. So you can drill in the. You don't have to drill in, just you can screw in the hooks and then hang the bells. This will finally give a very good look for the puja cabinet or temple mandir. So yes, friends, this is how we made our temple mandir at home easily using the cabinet. So you can turn any cabinet, an entertainment center or a kitchen cabinet or cabinet or anything into a puja mandir with these easy steps. Okay friends, if you find this video useful, please do subscribe my channel. I will be posting more videos like this. Bye.